So hello everyone, in this video we will see what is the competitive programming, and if you are looking for a job in the big tech companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, so you have to be good in the competitive programming. So before knowing how you can make yourself a better version in the competitive programming, so let's know what is the competitive programming. So the competitive programming is solving coding problems in using the algorithm and the data structure. The participant need to write the code under various restrictions like memory limits, execution time, limit of coding space, etc. So the benefits of competitive programming help you to improve your logical and analytical skills. It improves your algorithm knowledge. It is an excellent addition to your CV. Also, improve your network of friends who are also passionate about the programming. So, and the biggest advantage of this competitive programming is that the big tech companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, IBM, and others also will hire the candidates who are good in the competitive programming. So, the skills that will be required in order to be best in the competitive programming exams. So the first skill is like algorithm skill. You have to know how you can solve the question, how you can divide the largest problem into smaller pieces and solve that smaller pieces programs. And you have to be good in basic math skills, like you should know how you can find the square of the number, how you can find the factorial of any number, how you can the cube of any number, etc. So you should be good in typing, because you will need to write a code in some small time. So typing skill is must in this field, in this exam. Do your best. So here are some useful tips that you should know for getting started with competitive programming. It's a vital that you select a programming language which you are most comfortable with. So if you are comfortable with Java, if you are comfortable with Python, C++, or whatever it, select one language. Sign up on any online coding challenge website. Like there are many websites. You need to learn about data structures, so which is vital to solving complex coding issues. Data structures like binary tree, binary search, depth search, bubble sort. So you should know all these things. You need to understand the concept of complexities in programs, like what will be the time, how many steps you need to execute in order to achieve your results. So this is all these things, and learn important programming patterns like recursion, dynamic programming, etc. So what are some competitive programming sites where you can practice the programming questions? So I will tell you some best website where you can practice many questions. The first one is Topcoder. Topcoder is widely popular platform for competitive programming. It offers a lot of algorithmic challenges that you can complete on your own using their code editor tool. So the website is better suited for an advanced audience. The next site is CoderByte. The CoderByte offers more than 200 various types of coding challenges, which you can solve in an online editor using 10 different programming languages. So it provides official solution and more than 800,000 user created solutions. That's a good. And the third site is CodeWars. CodeWars offer an extensive collection of coding challenges. You can submit your challenges, which will be edited by the community. It allows you to solve these challenges online using their editor of 20 plus programming languages. And the next site is HackerEarth. So no doubt HackerEarth offers enterprise solution softwares. It helps many companies or individuals with their innovation management and technical requirement needs. So HackerEarth has conducted till now 10,000 plus programming challenge to date. So these are some sites where you can practice as many questions as you want and get a job in that companies. Okay, so thank you.